If your local takeout charges way too much for Mongolian beef, save your money. Today, we are making it at home with crispy beef, a glossy sauce, and way more meat than they ever give you. And after 3 weeks of tofu is officially on leave. If that still wasn't enough tofu fried rice is right up here. Today, beef takes over. Subscribe now or your beef will turn into rubble, I swear. First up, slice your beef into thin strips, about 1/8 inch thick and 2 inches long. I'm using sirloin today, but feel free to use whatever cut you like. Just remember to cut against the grain. This is crucial. It keeps the beef super tender instead of giving your jaw an unexpected workout. Throw the beef into a bowl, add Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, and white pepper, because apparently I ran out of black pepper. Close enough. Next, add the cornstarch and give everything a good massage until the beef starts feeling nice and sticky. Add a little dark soy sauce for color, because I forgot it earlier. Luckily, the beef doesn't know the recipe. Mix again, then drizzle in a little oil to lock everything in. Now, let it marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, slice 3 to 4 pieces of ginger, not too thick. We are trying to perfume the oil, not build tiny wooden planks. Smash 2 cloves of garlic like it's a mosquito at 2 a.m. Just smash it. There you go. If you love garlic, feel free to mince it and leave it in. Slice your green onions diagonally into 1-inch pieces, separating the whites from the greens. The whites do all the hard work behind the scenes. The greens just show up at the end like an executive stepping in for a 5-second photo op. Now, grab a few dried chilies and snip them into a couple of pieces. If you don't like too much heat, go ahead and shake out some of the seeds. Otherwise, your toilet is going to remember this recipe tomorrow. Let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, some brown sugar, black pepper, water, and finally, the cornstarch. Give everything a good mix until the sugar and cornstarch are fully dissolved. That's it. Our sauce is officially standing by, like me waiting for food delivery. Next, spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch onto a plate. Coat each piece of beef evenly, then gently shake off any excess. We want a light jacket, not a winter coat. Let the beef sit for 2 to 3 minutes. That's give the cornstarch time to really cling to the beef, like a turtle who doesn't want to be put down. Alright, let's cook. Add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Drop 1 strip in. If it sizzles instantly, you are good to go. Lay the beef flat without overlapping. Fry the first side for 45 to 60 seconds. Then, flip with confidence or blind optimism. Fry the other side for another 30 to 45 seconds. Now, because of the dark soy sauce, this beef isn't exactly auditioning for Golden Beef of the Year. Look for crispy edges instead. Pull the beef out before it's fully cooked, because it's coming back later. Think of this as a dress rehearsal nobody picks before the final performance. In the same pan, pour off excess oil, leaving about 1 tablespoon. Throw in the ginger first and saute until fragrant. Then, toss in the green onion whites, smashed garlic, and dried chilies. Saute on medium heat for 20 to 30 seconds until your whole kitchen smells amazing. If your neighbors are knocking on your door asking what smells so good, you did it wrong. Next, give the sauce a quick stir before pouring it in. Cornstarch loves sinking to the bottom. It's basically the introvert of the bowl. Pour the sauce into the pan. As you can see, the sauce thickens up fast. Cornstarch heard go and never looked back. Now let's bring back the beef. Give everything a few quick tosses until every strip is coated in that glossy sauce. I'm adding a splash of water to loosen it up. Life never goes according to plan, neither does cornstarch. Stir fry for another 15 to 20 seconds. As soon as the sauce clings to the beef, turn off the heat. Toss in the green onion greens. Give everything one final confident toss. And that's dinner. Do not overcook it here, or those crispy edges will go soft and the beef will end up drier than a textbook. Transfer it onto a plate. Top it off with a sprinkle of white sesame seeds. And boom! Crispy, juicy, glossy Mongolian beef without the takeout bill. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Asian recipes. If you want more beef recipes, or honestly just more excuse to eat rice, click the video on your screen. One recipe somehow always turns into 5. Thanks for watching. Now I'm going back to my couch. See you next week. Bye!